boy, we need gas. What's going on, guys? More Ambitious here, back with another video. I want to start off just by saying, if my voice does sound off or anything, I'm sick, I have a sore throat. There you go. For today's video, I have planned, I'm gonna go to my friend's Wayne's house, help him out to install his his rear backup camera, and then after that we're gonna head out to the gym. So I'm gonna try to get footage of that. I also need to install my running lights on my headlights, because lately I've just been using my my high beams. I have them somewhere, I just don't know if I brought them with me or not. If I brought them with me, I'll install those too, but I'll catch you guys when I get there. Back, we just installed the backup camera. Everything went smoothly. We had a few hiccups, but we worked it out. I didn't get to record anything like while I was doing it, just because like we were busy with it. And then when we were done, I was gonna record, but his mom came out and just didn't want to be rude. In the future though, I'm gonna get one for my car. I'm gonna have a video on how to install that, so that's gonna be all good. Right now I'm on my way back home. When I'm there, I'm actually gonna stop for gas. I'm gonna get gas to show you guys my car lowering springs, because I lowered the front, the rear isn't lowered. But I don't really like how it's not low enough, so I'm gonna get coilovers. They're already ordered. I ordered camber arms as well, rear camber arms, and besides that, I'm dropping wheels 2-3 weeks, I believe. I have to look at it. And then after I get wheels, it's paint. By January 1st, my car should be finished. When I say finished, I mean wheels are good, fitment's good, paint's all good, like everything should be done with the car. And yeah, I mean, it's not too much to do. The paint's gonna be the hardest part. Wheels are gonna be easy. It's gonna get wheels, tires, that's gonna be done. Saving up for that. And yeah, but I'll catch you guys once I'm at the gas station. The Not Pure Z challenge going strong. Empty tank, 29 miles till empty. Oh, look at this clean ass BMW. Or I have a dirty ass windshield. Fuck it. So it's 30 days later now. Today's Monday. I'm editing the vlog right now, and I just realized I didn't put gas in the vlog. I didn't show you guys how my car sits right now on the springs. So here's a photo of how it looks. And yeah, I did put gas on the way home, but I forgot to film that. Today I picked up my A-pillar, and I also picked up an exhaust. So next video should be the exhaust setup. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So that should be out either tomorrow or Wednesday, because it's gonna be uploaded Monday night or Tuesday morning. But yeah, that's all. This vlog was all over the place, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe, share the video too, whether it's friends, through social media, anything can help. Drop a comment down below as well. All support is welcome. Criticism is welcome as well. And yeah, bye.